In recent years, the internet has been going through a quiet revolution. While many people are still trying to understand cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and smart contracts, a new term has started gaining traction: Web3. You've probably heard that Web3 is the future of the internet. But what if it's just another overhyped trend? Another flashy promise that sounds good but never really delivers? In this video, we'll break down what Web3 actually is, how it's connected to the world of finance, what opportunities it brings, and the real risks that most people ignore. Let's find out whether Web3 is truly reshaping the way we deal with money, or if it's just another cycle of big promises and little results. To understand Web3, we need to take a quick step back in time. Web 1 was the internet of the 1990s. Static pages, basic websites. You could read but not interact much. Web 2 is what we have today. Social media, platforms, apps. You interact, create content, but it's all controlled by big companies. Now comes Web 3. The promise of Web 3 is simple, but bold. A decentralized internet where you don't just consume or participate, you actually own part of it. Your identity, your data, your money, all under your control, without needing banks, governments, or corporations. In practice, Web3 is built on things like blockchain, smart contracts, cryptocurrencies, DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, and digital wallets. Everything revolves around ownership, autonomy, and transparency. But what does that mean for your money? It all starts with a core concept: decentralized finance, or simply DeFi. Imagine being able to send money, invest, borrow, or even get insurance without going through a bank or financial institution. That's where smart contracts come in. Digital agreements that execute themselves automatically without a middleman. With Web3, you can lend crypto and earn interest directly into your wallet, buy fractional assets like shares of digital art or real estate, vote in investment decisions through a DAO, create and sell your own tokens or digital services. It's like having access to a stock exchange, a bank, and a financial fund, all in your pocket, operating 24/7 with no red tape. Web3 also opens financial doors for people who were excluded from the traditional system. If you don't have a bank account or live in a country with a weak currency, all you need is a smartphone to transact and store value. But not everything is as perfect as it sounds. Web3 sounds exciting: freedom, ownership, decentralization. But when you look closer, you'll see that many projects still fall short of those promises. One major issue is complexity. Even tech-savvy users get confused with the endless layers of wallets, tokens, protocols, and networks. For the average person, it feels like trying to fly a spaceship without instructions. Another big problem is the sheer number of scams, fake tokens, and shady projects. In a space with little regulation and lots of anonymity, it's easy for bad actors to exploit people and disappear with their money. And many Web3 projects don't even solve real problems. They're just technology looking for a use, built because it sounds cool, not because it's useful. Then there's the issue of responsibility. In Web3, if you lose your access key to your wallet, your money is gone. There's no customer support, no password recovery. You're on your own. So here's the big question again. Is Web3 the future of finance or just another hype cycle? The most honest answer is, it depends. It depends on how the technology evolves. It depends on how regulators respond. And it depends on whether people learn how to use these tools responsibly and effectively. One thing is clear: the underlying technology is powerful. Blockchain is no longer experimental. It works. Real money is flowing through real projects. Major companies are testing Web3-based solutions right now. At the same time, the hype attracted a lot of opportunists. And now we're in a market cleanup phase, where weak projects are dying out and serious ones are staying. In the future, Web3 likely won't replace the old financial system entirely, but it may coexist with it, offering more transparent, efficient, and accessible alternatives. If you're thinking about exploring Web3, here are a few things to keep in mind. Learn before you invest. Don't get in just because it's trending. Use trusted wallets and protect your private keys. Avoid promises of quick, easy money. This is still finance. Start small. Test, learn, and build slowly. Web3 may offer more freedom, but freedom comes with responsibility. There are no shortcuts, no magic coins, no overnight success. There is only knowledge, action, and smart decision-making. Web3 is growing. It's failing, learning, evolving, like every major innovation. You don't need to pick sides, not the old system, not the new one. But understanding how this all works might be your biggest financial advantage in the years ahead. If this video helped you see beyond the hype, subscribe to Financial Depths right now. Here, we simplify what the market tries to complicate. Every week, you'll get new insights to help you invest smarter, think deeper, and master the world of money, one decision at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.